Hi everyone, my name is Giovanna and today's video we're taking a look at this beautiful rack. So in this video I want to help you know what you can expect when you get this rack and a little bit more about it. So first I want to show you how nice this rack is. So soft, really good quality and super cute. One thing that I love about this rack is the fact that it's washable. Simply put in the washing machine with cold water, wash and dry naturally. For daily cleaning you can use a vacuum. I love the design, very pretty with dark and light blues, white and gold. The colors are perfect for my living room, goes really good with my couch. This is 5x7 and it's great size for the living room. This rack is thin but very soft on your feet and offer a cozy and comfortable surface for walking or sitting. I love everything about this rack. So if you guys are on the market and you're looking for one, I highly recommend it.